Today we're going to find the break-even point of your business. Let's go. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kelly, this is Maid in Business, and I'm here to help you start, grow or develop your cleaning or service-based business. Please excuse my complete lack of voice and I sound like Herbert the pervert of a Family Guy, but in the aim of consistency I'm going to carry on. So if you can't hear me very well, please switch on the closed captions on the bottom and you'll be able to understand what I'm saying that way. Without further ado, let's find out what the definition of break-even means.
The break-even point in your business is the point where your income from sales is equal to all of your business expenses. So that's the cost of sales that we spoke about on the previous video of labour and materials, plus your overheads, and will also include any personal drawings that you make as the owner or any wages you pay to managers that don't clean. These will be classed as personal drawings on the next formulas.
Today we're going to go over the formulas for a service-based business. Obviously how you would price up for a product is slightly different for the elements that you will take into consideration. So today is for service-based break-even points only. So for our first example, let's go over to the board.
To find your break-even, it's overheads plus drawings or personal budget. And that is the amount of sales needed to reach break-even. So say for example your overheads are £10,000 and your personal drawings are £12,000 because you're staying within your tax limit, and you might take dividend. That would make the sales needed in order to break even £22,000. There is a formula for working out how many hours you would have to clean or how many services you would have to complete in order to reach that break-even point, and I give more details about this in the cheat sheet below, so don't worry if this is going by quite fast. I've just got no voice.
So as with last week's video, I have prepared a little cheat sheet for you down below in the comments, no email required, and on that form you will have all of the formulas so that you can work out your break-even points, and there'll be little boxes for you to put in all of your figures from your overheads, and there'll also be a little prompt on fixed costs and variable costs to help you get that correct overhead figure. The point of doing this particular exercise is you will be able to see whether your overheads are too high and perhaps need cutting, or whether your prices are too low and perhaps need amending. If you've got to complete 1,000,000 hours before you hit a break-even point, it might be time to have a little word with yourself and do some adjustments on your figures. So make sure you get that cheat sheet. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for new content every Wednesday. Next week, be back here because we are going to talk about how to price up by the hour and how to price up by the service to see which would suit you and your business needs next. How do you currently price up? Let me know in the comments below. And I will be back here Wednesday and we'll do pricing up. Until then, have a good week. Bye bye.